Hey guys, Hector here with HP Bushcraft. Got another video here for you. This one is a find that I found, or something I found at CVS. And they're these first aid packs. They have different ones. They're anywhere from like $3 to like maybe $6, just depends on what they're for. Like this one is wound and burn care relief refill packs. Show you guys what's in there. Comes with gauze, tape, a couple butterfly closures, natural gloves, non-woven pads. You got 2x2s, 2 of them. You got 3x3s, 2 of them. And you have, let's see, non-adherent pads. This is a 3x4, and then you got a 5x9, and then you have 2 general first aid burn creams on that one. Next one we'll go with sprain and strains. It's a refill pack. They're all refill packs, which is pretty nice, so that way you can build your own first aid kit. This one comes with this one's gauze, and this is a elastic bandage. A triangle bandage. Cold compress. Two of the tongue depressors. And 3 of these clips. That's that one. They also have a outdoor prep pack. It says includes essentials to treat bug bites and stings, splinters, and more. Few packs of Afterbite here. 8-hour insect repellent wipes and tweezers. Last one that I have here is first aid. It's a survival. It said includes supplies for emergency survival situations. Comes with 2 emergency blankets. Two whistles. You know, if we have a whistle, we gotta try it out too, see how it sounds, right? A button compass. has some survival instructions. And they're actually from Adventure Medical Kits. Not too bad. Alright, I just saw these at CVS and I thought it'd be something pretty cool to show you guys. But that's all I got for you guys for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.